What if I told you that one of the most practical hatchbacks in the world just got smarter, sleeker, and surprisingly more luxurious without shouting about it? Meet the 2026 Volkswagen Golf Plus, the quiet achiever that doesn't need a flashy badge or aggressive angles to win your heart. Because sometimes the most interesting cars are the ones that don't scream for attention. They earn it. At first glance, you might think, it's just a Golf, right? Wrong. The Golf Plus is like the overachieving middle child of the Golf family. Taller, roomier, and now in 2026, sharper than ever. Volkswagen has refined every curve and crease. The front grille, slimmer and more elegant. The LED matrix headlights, they practically wink at you when you walk up. And the proportions, oh, they're spot on. It sits slightly higher than the standard Golf, giving you that subtle crossover vibe without the bulk. It's the perfect sweet spot between hatchback, agility, and SUV practicality. Not too big, not too small. Just right. Now let's talk power, because this thing doesn't just look good. Under the hood, the 2026 Golf Plus offers a lineup of efficient turbocharged engines, including a punchy 1.5-liter mild hybrid and a whisper-quiet plug-in hybrid that gives you up to 100 kilometers of electric range. Think about that. For most people, that's your entire week of commuting, without a single drop of fuel. And if you're wondering, yeah, but can it handle? Oh, it can. Volkswagen's tuned the chassis for that signature Golf ride, balanced, planted, and confident. It glides over bumps, corners with poise, and cruises the highway like it owns the lane. Smooth, but never sleepy. Step inside and you'll quickly realize, this isn't just a practical car. It's a miniature luxury lounge. The cabin is where the Golf Plus truly shines. Soft touch materials everywhere. Ambient lighting that changes with your mood. And then there's the 12.9-inch infotainment display, crisp, fast, and finally, user-friendly. Gone are the frustrating touch sliders of old. Volkswagen listened. Physical buttons are back and sanity has returned. Pair that with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a panoramic sunroof, and seats that feel like they were, designed by someone who actually sits in cars, and you've got a space that makes you want to take the long route home. But here's where things get really interesting. The 2026 Golf Plus introduces IQ Drive 3.0, Volkswagen's most advanced, semi-autonomous tech yet don't lane centering, adaptive cruise, and even predictive speed adjustment based on upcoming curves and traffic signs. It's like having a co-pilot who actually pays attention. And get this, there's an AI-driven parking system that can learn your favorite parking spots. So next time you roll into your tight little garage, the Golf Plus says, don't worry, I got this. Can your car do that? Now let's not forget why people love the Golf Plus. Space. It's got more headroom, more legroom, and a flexible rear seating system that lets you slide and recline the back seats. Need cargo space? Fold them down and you've got over 1,500 liters of storage. That's IKEA trip approved. Stroller? Check. To camping gear? Check. Random impulse buys you'll regret later? Oh yeah, check. The 2026 Golf Plus isn't trying to be flashy. It's not chasing trends. It's playing the long game. Quietly. Becoming the most intelligent choice for people who want everything. Without compromise. Not bad for a car that's been called the sensible sibling, huh? So what do you think? Is the 2026 Golf Plus the unsung hero of modern motoring? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a story from the road. Because here it's not just about cars, it's about the journeys they create.